Hello. Hello. What's the weather like in your country? Well, there are four seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter, which vary considerably in characteristics. What kind of weather do you like? I enjoy hot weather. There are more things to do when it's sunny. I love swimming and sunbathing. What months have the best weather in your country? I believe it depends. For me, the best weather is from June to August, when it's warm across the country. Do you like it when it rains? Not at all. I hate raining. How does the weather affect your feelings? I usually have a bad mood when it rains. The rain reminds me of sad memories. How has the weather changed recently? Due to global warming, the weather has become more and more unpredictable. It's boiling hot in summer and freezing cold on winter days. Do you usually watch the weather forecast? No, not very often. What's your favorite season? Why? Let's see. I love spring when trees and flowers blossom. What do you like to do when it's windy? When it's windy, I like flying a kite with my friends. That's interesting. Goodbye. Goodbye. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye.